There's no way. There's no way that's COMETHAZINE. There's no way. There's no way that's him singing that, bro. There's no way. There's no way.
I'm too nonchalant. Don't do too much talking. I'm really dead inside for real. I'm like a dead man walking. I grew up around hitters. They pull up and get the stalking. Ain't gonna catch you lacking while you home alone. Macaulay Culkin.
All right, y'all. So today we got COMETHAZINE, bro. Look, he's did the whole rebrand and everything. I don't know if y'all know. I don't know if you caught up on COMETHAZINE's story, but like basically, bro disappeared for like a couple years. Okay, last time we heard from COMETHAZINE is like what was it? It was a while before we heard from him. Okay, we haven't heard from COMETHAZINE in a minute. Okay, and then next thing you know, he posts something on Instagram and he's like got this whole different vibe to him. He looked like he finna be on some Steve Lacy shit. Like he got the mustache growing out and he playing the guitar. He basically look like he's in the middle of a rebrand, okay? We haven't heard anything from this new era. We've heard him playing the guitar. We've heard some snippets, but we haven't heard an actual song. So that's why I'm actually excited for this, because I don't know about y'all, but I personally love whenever artists go out their way to try something different or rebrand themselves, like Lil Yachty did. Whenever an artist switches up the flow, bro. I love that shit. Me personally. Sometimes it doesn't always work, but like Machine Gun Kelly went to his punk rock Tickets to My Downfall. Yachty switched up with Let's Start Here, his best album, you know. Future, what Future did with Hendrix and We Still Don't Trust You. My favorite album is Hendrix, you know. We like it. I like it when they switch it up. But yeah, we finna get into this. So his new name is called Frank Cole. This song is called Smokestack Lightning. God damn, nigga, fix your posture. All right, let's get into it. Wait, the following recording subsists as the introduction to Electric Mazeland. We're getting an album, y'all. We're getting an album. Oh my God, I hope this sounds good. There's no way. There's no way that's COMETHAZINE. There's no way. There's no way that's him singing that, bro. There's no way. There's no way. Cinematography going crazy, y'all. These shots are amazing. Hold on, look at the lighting on here, bro. Hold on. This voice is gonna take some getting used to, but it's intriguing. I'm not gonna lie. Is he gonna actually like this is cool and all, but is he gonna like, you know? Well, they did say this is like an intro. They did say this is like an intro, so maybe we're gonna hear more. But like, I want to hear like, I don't know. I want to hear like a hook and chorus. I don't know.
Zu viel, Bro. Schwer zu erklären.
Okay, verstehe. Aber wann bist du mal wieder hier drüben, Bro?
Ich bin zurück im November.
Sehr gut, ich freue mich. Und wie geht's eigentlich dem alten
What are they
Ego?
saying, bro? What are they saying? I'm missing out on the lore because I don't speak German, bro. That is what this is, right? I'm pretty sure that's German.
Miserabel, evimiz toslandı. İştinke evidimlendi freyenste.
Smokestack lightning. Out of what? Lightning thundering. There's got to be more. Okay. I'm hearing like the thunder and the lightning and whatnot. I don't know. But this is an intro, so it's like you can't really. They said it's the introduction to something Electric Mazeland, which I'm assuming is an album. So if this is an intro, it could sound like anything, honestly. But I want to hear more. I want to hear him.
This shit was $30. I wouldn't get one.
Diese Sommer wird kalt. Diese Sommer wird kalt.
What does that mean? Jesus Sommer.
Diese Sommer wird kalt. Diese Sommer wird kalt. Diese Sommer wird kalt. Diese Sommer wird kalt. Diese Sommer wird kalt.
Okay.
Shit. She gave me some bullshit. I wrote some bullshit. Hey, bro. What was you saying in there?
That's it.
So where are you originally from?
Korea.
Which part?
I am from North Korea.
Wait. I heard music in the background.
So where are you originally from?
Korea.
Which part?
I am from North.
Y'all hear that music in the background? Y'all hear that, bro? It sounds low-key sound fire. If I'm hearing this correctly, and if that's what I think it is.
So where are you originally from?
Korea.
Which part?
I am from North Korea.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. That was cool and all. I didn't think, I honestly didn't know what to expect, but he picked a I did not expect to hear this like high-pitched voice type of thing he got going on. That was not expected. I don't know why I thought he was gonna be like rapping over some guitar or something like that. I don't know, but I definitely wasn't expecting this. But this is cool though. He's finna get into like a different. He's definitely finna take that same route that Yachty took. It sounds like. I'm definitely intrigued. Does it have a release date or something on here? Frank Cole, Electric Mazeland. That's it, bro. And the comments are turned off, bro. All right, yeah, I'm gonna subscribe. Yeah, you got a thumbs up, bro. Cause god damn, bro. I can't even discuss with the community. I wonder when he's finna drop. I hope he drops the album. I hope he drops the album because I'm pretty sure it said, look, it says, the following recording subsists as the introduction to Electric Mazeland. That sounds like an album to me. All right, y'all. That was cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm ready to see what happens next. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff, because we always gonna be dropping something every now and then. I'm trying to build this community, big bright brick, helping nigga out. You feel me? Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitch. You know, I might start streaming eventually, so you never know. Just follow me and everything, just so you in the loop. And what else? Oh yeah, go check out some of my other videos. You know, I got vlogs and all that stuff. All right, I'm gonna stop self-promoting. I'm gonna end the video here. Y'all have a blessed day.